Hello, this is a speeding time experiment or time speeding up experiment. What I'd like to test by this video and actually show you is that in fact time, it seems, is not actually speeding up. I'm going to compare how time is measured in the past with how time is measured today, and according to this experiment you'll see that the result is showing that time isn't in fact speeding at all. Of course, this result has to be taken with a lot of reserves, let's say, because this is not a perfect experiment anyway. I'm going to use for this experiment the time recorded by an old video from 1994. This is the 17th of December 1994, and this is a video of a UFO conference. And I saw this timer of the old video recorder, and I said, well, let's compare this timer here, which shows how time was passing in 1994, which is 27 years ago, with how time passes today. And for this I have the YouTube timer here, which is keeping time in YouTube, which is the time recorded by YouTube. And I have also the official timer here, which shows time, actual time. So the idea would be to compare these three timers and see if for measuring 1 minute the three timers coincide, and if they coincide, of course time is not speeding up as compared to 27 years ago. This is my idea, and for this I will take as the starting point the moment when this old video's timer hits 10:48, because this is the time when my minute will begin. The minute that I want to measure will begin at 10:48, and the YouTube timer after a second or half a second anyway will be 4:46. So this will be my starting point. So this will be my starting point. 10:48 in the old video, 4:46 in the old video, because I prepared it to start at 10:48, 4:46. This is just half a second before, and the timer, for the time I have to choose 6:14, because this is not the time that I can control. So I will measure the minute when the clock hits 6:14, and then I'll start a video and the YouTube timer at 10:48, 4:46. So take a look. I'll just do that and talk more during the minute. So I'm looking at 6:14. This will be 10:48, 4:46. I'm just waiting for this minute, for this moment. 6:14, boom. So 10:48, 4:46 here, and 6:14. This is the time. Now in 1 minute, if time is not changing, you should have 10:49 in the old video, you should have 5:46 at the YouTube timer, here, and you should have 6:15 for the general time, what I would call general time. So let's just see if this is the case. At 5:46, 1 minute is done. So the old timer should show 10:49, and the time, the general time, should be 6:15. So let me just show you if this is the case. 6:15, 10:49, and 5:46, as you can see. And I'll just close it back then. So 10:49, 5:47, 6:15. Seen it? So this is exactly what I'm talking about. It changed at the same moment. And if you want, you can do this again by choosing another frame, a work. For example, let me just backtrack a bit. This is 5:47. I said no, 5:46. So I'm going to 5:46 again. Yeah, 5:46. So 5:46, yeah. At 5:46 I have 10:49, 5:46. Yeah, so this is when this minute is starting. Yeah, and maybe I want to do the same for another minute, for 10:50, let's say. Let me just open the paint. 10:50 for the other minute, and 6:46 for the other minute. And if you want, we can choose 6:17 as our starting time, and it should go to 6:18. Yeah, so let's just do this again. From 6:17, let's just count another minute until 10:50. Yeah, 10:50 there, if you see what I mean. So 6:17, I'll just press play. 6:17, 6:17, yeah, waiting for the time. So you see that this is not wrong. I'm doing it twice. You can check it out twice. So this is the real time, the actual time, and this is YouTube time, yeah, and this is the old timer. So 6:17, boom, it will go to what? To 6:18 here in the real time, or the general time. It should go to 5:46. Oh yeah, sorry, 6:46. I'm sorry, this, yeah, it should be 6:46, as you can see. And the timer here should be 10:50 at the same time, in the same minute. 10:50, 6:46, 6:18. Again, I'm going to repeat it. 10:50, 6:46, 6:18. 10:50, 6:46, 6:18. 10:50, 6:46, 6:18. Yeah? This is what I should have. I'm going to stop at 6:46 because this is when time is going to change. Yeah? So take a look. 6:46, I'm going to press stop. Stop. 10:50, 6:18, you see? Yeah, maybe there is a slight difference. I said 6:46, but I pressed at 6:45. Anyway, it seems to me like time hasn't changed that much. Or maybe there is some chicanery with this video footage here. Who knows? Maybe you've got some chicanery here. I won't deny that. This is a video of a UFO conference filmed in 1994. This is a very important figure in the, let's say, UFO branch of researching in our country, and also of sci-fi. And back then, I understand he was the Minister of Education, and he was boring these poor students here with different information about economics and politics. He was supposed to talk about UFOs, and from this 1 hour and 41 minutes here time, he talked about like 1 hour about economics and yeah, whatnot, and then he started talking about UFOs and inviting his co-chair, his colleague, who was a real researcher in the UFO phenomena, yeah, which is yeah, one guy here. Yeah, anyway, it doesn't show here. So yeah, this is the experiment. I'm just using this this as a benchmark, so I hope you liked it. So, yeah, see ya.